Hi, I'm Belinda, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make a luxuriously creamy shaving cream. This is the product I'm going to be showing you how to make. As you can see, it's a beautifully viscous cream, and when applied to the skin you can see how nice and thick it is, and it creates this fantastic creamy foam ready for shaving. Now, one of the things when you create a shaving foam is you want it to form this nice, thick, foamy barrier, and you need to make sure that it thoroughly wets around the hair, and that way you get a really gentle and smooth but effective shave. I'm also using a lot of really mild ingredients in this formula so that after wash off, the skin feels absolutely beautiful and not irritated with any sort of shaving rash. So let me show you how it's made. So first I'm going to create the creamy part of this shaving cream, the emulsion. Now first of all I'm going to gel my water phase, just slurrying my gum and adding this to the water. Then I'm going to heat this phase and add my emulsifying wax. Now I'm using a non-ionic material. It will help with great wash off, very, very mild on the skin, and will also help build that nice creamy consistency. So that's the creamy emulsion part. Now we're going to get the foaming part ready. Now what I have here, I have some coconut oil and I have my super fatting agent. Now I'm going to combine these first, and the reason I want to do it this way is I want to make sure that I'm solubilizing my oil well, just so it doesn't impact any sort of stability or performance. And I'm also going to add my antioxidant and essential oil to this as well. And again, it's just so I've solubilized these before I mix it with the surfactant. It just helps ensure really good stability. Then I'm going to add this mixture to my surfactant. Now I've used non-ionic and very mild materials in this formula so that we don't have any risk of a shaving rash, and it's suitable even for really sensitive skin. Now I'm just going to combine this phase and then add this to my emulsion. You will notice the viscosity drops a lot at this stage. Don't panic, it will definitely set into this beautiful viscous non-drip cream by the next day. So I'm just going to add the preservative now and then adjust the pH. And there we go, there is your shaving cream. Just remember, it will increase in viscosity, and by the next day you'll have this beautiful non-drip shaving cream that spreads easily, feels beautifully creamy and soft during application and wash off, and has that nice foam to it to get a really good wash off and skin feel, as well as effective shave. Well, there you go. That's how to create a beautifully luxurious natural shaving cream. I created this video because I've been asked for this type of product, so please make sure you leave your questions or comments below about the types of products you'd like to see. Please give the video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!